like 15 and I've been here since 11. So it took me 3 hours to pack 15 orders. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I don't want to wake up anybody. But look at this cute baby. I love them so much. Hi again. So it's the next day and the delivery guy was just here and he took all the orders and I'm really excited. Oh, my Koikoi room is a mess, my desk is a mess, my entire room is a mess, but I am really happy. You know, the delivery days are the best because you guys will be like sending in messages, adding stories and like making all these cute unboxing videos, and it just makes my day. Like I just cannot stop smiling. Like even right now I'm just thinking about all the reactions and I'm just so happy. So I just got the sweetest letter from one of my customers who received the package today, and she told me how emotional she felt, and I am still emotional from reading her message. Like I just read it all over again and I just feel so happy, and this is exactly what I've been working for all this time at Koikoi. Like I don't want to earn an insane amount of money from Koikoi. I don't want to be the famous artist or something, although that would be nice. Like if I earn some money or become a famous artist, that would be nice. But the point is, I've been doing it for all the emotions behind. It just makes my day when somebody comes to me and tells me how much they love the stickers, and also like how insanely beautiful my stickers are. You know, anything, it just makes my day.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
So I'm all ready to go to bazaar. I did not even know about it, but Sabi, who you guys know as the craft bossa, invited me, and I thought it would be fun to go and look around and hopefully get a few things if I like. She had ordered from our shop and I just packed it for her. I'm carrying this Kitab Kalam bag and wearing this beautiful dress from Rangin Dhago, and yeah, I'm carrying her order, but I could have like surprised her. Instead of saying I would bring the order to her. I'm really bad with surprises. So I'll just take you along in my ride to the bazaar and let's see what we have there. So I'm finally back home and it's like 7:30 right now. I kind of got a little wet in the rain, but I'm really tired. I don't think I can pack any orders today. The plan was to pack orders today and so I can send them out tomorrow. I mean the remaining orders, but I feel very tired. I think I'll just like sleep for a bit, and if I can come back and pack, I will do that. Otherwise, I'll just pack tomorrow. So if you've made it this far in the video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more videos, or you can suggest what videos to make in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.